Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. For some strange reason, I'm super optimistic about today from a foodie perspective. I have 2 spots that I want to go check out, so I am super happy. And this is where I slept last night for those who are interested. This is on Long Bay Beach. I think this is, I don't know if it's a property up for sale or if it's a beach, but whatever it is, it was pretty good. Yeah, you would think that I'd fall asleep super early, but yeah, I fell asleep at like 2 a.m. Last night. It could be sleeping in a new environment. You're kind of a little bit skeptic, I guess, or I was just up watching Netflix. So that's basically that. Yeah, this is where I took a shower this morning, and it's probably one of the better showers that I've taken. It's close to the road, but not too far. You do feel a bit of privacy, and you do feel a little bit in the open, but nonetheless, it was pretty good. Wanted to go take a dip this morning, but I didn't because, yeah, someone was in my shower this morning. It was ridiculous. This guy was there talking to his girlfriend or whatever. He was cussing as hell. Not sure as to why, but he didn't know that I was in the van, so that's a good thing. So, yeah, I'm gonna head towards, what is it called? Jesus. Whoa, brain freeze. Going towards Winnifred Beach this morning. And today's restaurant we're going to be checking out is going to be Cynthia. I spoke to her yesterday and she sounds like a confident chef. I saw some people eating and they seem like they enjoyed themselves. I do mention in all of the videos, I do leave a Google map pin in the description box or on the top comments so you guys can find it. But this place, I'm going to help you guys out a little bit more because Google Maps will lose you. It has the idea of where it is, but you got to use a little bit of common sense to find it. It's a little bit off the beaten track, so I'm going to show that with you guys this morning, and let's go there and let's have some amazing food. Oh boy, started the video off so good. I was so excited and I said like today was going to be an amazing day, but unfortunately I just called Miss Cynthia and yeah, she said there is a family emergency and she would not be able to make it today. And then she said that the sea is rough and you know, the fishermen who bring in fresh caught fish, they can't bring in any fresh caught fish today on top of that. Now, of course, I could just skip that part out and just go to somewhere else without telling you guys this, but the reason for it is, you know, I started this channel because I had some food experiences that I wanted to share with you guys and the ones that I wanted you guys to avoid. Now, what you guys need to understand is that a lot of the places that I go to, there are single person ownerships. And that means either they're the only person that owns the business or they're the only person that really works in there or they can trust themselves with that flavor. And what happens is, if something happens, the business can be closed on that day. So I implore you guys to make sure that you check the link in the description box that has the Google map pin. If you click on the name of the business, you should also find their number. Sometimes I put the number as well. Give them a call before you drive all the way from wherever you are staying at, whether you're coming from the US to come to Jamaica to have this similar experience like myself. I would hate for you guys to leave from Kingston to come to Portland and then something like this happens. So always make sure that you know, give them a call. And of course, I make content where I'll show you guys other places that are close by. So there's another stop that is in there, that same area on the beach, that I'm going to check out today, and hopefully the experience is great. And then tomorrow we'll go over to Miss Cynthia if everything is okay with her. So basically that is the plan. Yeah, a little bit of behind the scenes of what it takes to make these videos, and that's why I like camping in the van, man. Like, at least I know I'm not paying $100 or $150 for an Airbnb and I don't get to do what I wanted to do on that day. I can stay out here for another day. That's fine. All right, let's head to Winnifred Beach and I'll show you guys how to get there. All right, so I did say that Google Maps will take you to a particular point that if you look closely, you'll see a white sign. Well, as this video has been recorded, the sign is white and it will say Winnifred Beach. So you won't see any big hell of a sign, but there is a sign there. And it's gonna take you on a road that seems like there's no beach headed there, but just follow the road. Just keep going down until you get there. So you can see it looks like you're just going through a community, basically. You're not really seeing an ocean line just yet because the trees are kind of blocking it, but it is there. And of course, look out for that cat. Once you see that cat, you know you're definitely, you know, pretty close. And then you go around this bend. You know, some foreigners are a little bit skeptical when they see, you know, so much bushes on either side, but don't worry. You are headed to the beach. And then you get to this pothole right there. I guarantee you in the next 3 years it's still going to be there, so look out for that pothole there. Keep going down, that's what I said. And then let's see, boom. Still pretty, you know, bushy road, but you're heading there, you're getting there. Get that little paradise moment where you just start seeing the beach and you start seeing the little huts along the way. I don't know if you guys can see that on the video, but yeah, you'll experience it when you get here. And then there you go. Now you actually see a nicer little sign there. Yeah, there will be somebody here. That will ask for a contribution. Oh God. So yeah, you see, you go through the gate there, and yeah, they ask for a contribution. That could be whatever you feel is surmountable. That's up to you. But yeah, there's not a designated entry fee. So yeah, I'm just like you guys right now. I have no clue where I'm. Well, not everybody. Some of you do know down here. I know all the restaurants, but yeah, I'm gonna try to find a spot. Miss Cynthia's actually back that side. Now anyway, let's talk to you about something more important. Alright, so for some of you guys, content like this is super important because you get the chance to plan your itineraries or just, I don't know, reminisce. Whatever the case it is, it's important for you. But there are more important things in life. For example, helping someone who really needs it. Now, I mentioned in a previous video that they burned down one of my favorite street food restaurants, which is just, it's just the worst thing. Like, when you have a restaurant, the chances of it burning down is highly likely, but when someone sabotages your business and they burn it down intentionally, that is just a horrible thing to happen. And Tia is a mother. This is a trying person. I don't know of them being super well off where it's like, okay, let's just build something else. It's not one of those situations. A trying woman, and I did post in the video that I'll be dropping the Gofundme link so that you guys can support her. I also have their numbers, so her number, her daughter number, and also their bank accounts that you guys can donate to. Now you can contact them if you have anything in terms of kind that you can give. If it's a pot, a spoon, whatever it is that can be beneficial to the business, definitely I'm asking you guys to go out there and do that. But the GoFundMe is a way for us to see how far we can come. I have put it up to be $1,000. It is nowhere close to what they will need, but I think it's possible with your help that we can raise $1,000. Is it beneficial to me? Technically, no, but I will get the chance to eat at one of my favorite spots again. So please, guys, I'm asking you so much to make this happen and let us try to support as many of these Jamaican street food spots or small restaurants that sell good food, that give good vibe, and help to build the Jamaican economy. All right, so I've been here all morning and I've been like talking it up. And for those who do not know, in Jamaica, we are a very Irish set of people. Like, one moment I'm down there chilling beside my van, and now I'm literally in a boat that's in a freaking tree. So once you come to places like these, for example, the fisherman spots where you can go out for boat rides or get some fried fish, you know, it's a pretty chilled and laid back type of setup. Most of these places are open somewhere like 12, 1 o'clock, and it's always best to call in, put in your order, and you know, the vibes like that. So I've just been out here basically chilling, getting to know the owner of this place that I'm stopping at today, and that is called Reef King. Now, pretty new business, and the most important part is that the owner's son is basically spearheading everything right now, so that's cool. Hopefully we'll get the chance to talk to him today. If not, hopefully the dad comes in and we can you know, get some food to try from here. Yeah, today the waters are pretty calm. Something to point out, whenever you're in Portland, I believe, has the highest waves in Jamaica, so don't expect to always come and see dead seas. So early mornings, late evenings, you're going to always get more glass water. Apart from that, it's going to be pretty rocky. but today is pretty good. I can see a couple people out there swimming and it's pretty chill vibes. Now if you're like me and you like something that's a lot calmer, just more serene, definitely come in the weekday if you can. Saturday and Sunday, you know it's going to be, you don't know, that Jamaican vibes, party, dirty wine, hit top, music. Yeah, that's going to be the setting. So I'm just here chilling. As soon as they get in, we're going to try some food and we're going to see how that goes today. Alright guys, so this is hella impromptu, but FYI, these guys actually do offer boat tours. So if you want to go to Monkey Island or the Turtle Sanctuary, anywhere like that, they will take you guys for a price. I think I heard if the boat is full, it's somewhere like $3 grand, but if it's less people, of course you're gonna pay a little bit more. Right now we're actually going out there to check on some fish pots. They said that it's due, so that's the vibe. Hopefully we can get some fish, and if I am lucky, I'm gonna be having one of those today. Alright, so as it's called fishing and not catching. You're not gonna catch something every single day. But yo, that boat was like 45 degrees, yo. I had to come to this side to kind of, you know, balance it out, even though this is not gonna tip it over that easily. But yeah, nice waters out here today. Like I said, it's normally pretty rocky, but today, yeah, not so bad at all. Hopefully we can catch something really nice in the other pots. Alright, so here's the sad truth. Fishermen work very, very hard. Like, I'm under here because it's exceedingly hot out there, and this is just probably like 15 minutes. Now, they probably do this every other day, 2-3 times per week. And then the other sad part about it is that other people can just loot your pots. You know, they come out early, they see some stuff in your pots, boom, it's gone. There's no way that you can really quite stop this. You're just really based on, you know, how honest the other fisherman could be. So there's that. Yeah, but they just brought up a pot just now, and just there's not much, a couple flounders, things like that. Alright, so we just come from what I see you all ago with Orion aka Bobo. Yeah. Is in the south. Right, do with some fish, hard man style. Hard man style, anything you say, no? Alright, so I'm gonna get some fish on the put on the freezer and thing. Yeah, yesterday catch. Yesterday catch. We'll do today. Yeah, vibes. Yeah. Right. Part the part that no? Yeah man, what are they say part? Yeah man, the blue one there. Like the blue one. Nice adult size. Really hard man steam. Uncut, you know? Alright, which style of food style like you know say yo, yeah man? Alright, we do specialize in seafood, you know, we cook it any way you recommend, you want, you would desire. We cook it any way. We can do it any way, and I'll get the best same way. Alright, we'll go with a escovitch. That's my favorite style. Alright. Yeah man, escovitch, a big blue one, right? Yeah man, so escovitch it. Wanna do a sides usually. Alright, plantain festival, rice and peas. For me. So, you know rice and peas? Ready?
No, rice and peas ready.
Alright, what we can get right now?
Alright, now we'll give you some plant and festival.
Alright, so festival is a must.
And green press planting, ripe planting.
More ripe planting and festival.
Alright, cool. So, usually, entire meal take to prepare 20 to 30 minutes. You understand? It's a escovitch. So I fry them down, make some sauce. And we on the way, you understand?
Vibes.
Alright.
So tell about the business, because you're saying a start from January this year.
Well, this particular establishment, we reconstruct and it went available since January, but my father is out here. Yeah, it's been running like for a while now. Years and years.
So but you just come in and make sure they go bigger.
Alright, it's a younger brain, isn't it?
Alright, so
modernize the thing.
from you mention the name Bobo, Jamaicans who just think about Rastafari and they go to Kush.
Yeah.
Right, so you say you guys are, what else you do at the business?
So with a legal ganja supplier. So
nice.
we sell ganja, is a ganja lounge, bar and grill and everything in one, you understand?
So people always ask me, when you come to Jamaica, man, where can I get some? Yeah.
Alright, so you come to Reef Kings Bar and Grill, you get some good ganja, some good seafood, some good rice and peas, and of course, don't forget the boat tour we are carrying up and go see the famous Monkey Island, the Turtle Sanctuary, and a lot more, you know. So just come visit whenever, and when the meal done, you know, see what I go on, and this is how we start.
Up.
Active. Yard man style, so I still be so just a fry. As me make him thaw out a bit. So right now we are creating to do the festival, I understand. Cornmeal, flour, baking powder, lasco, and of course you add some sugar flour, you know. So we just prepare, you know, a one meal, so you don't have to overdo it. Sure. Okay. Cornmeal. Sure. Sure, it's a baking powder. So it's big and swelling on the floor, I understand. Some people use butter in it, some use sugar, some use lasco. So you prefer, I understand. We use, it varies, we use sugar, we use lasco, we use butter. You know, we're skillful in way there, so we just use anything available at the moment, you know.
Take care and turn fashion.
Same way, you know, don't get me wrong, you get the same taste,
consistency.
You know? Same softness, you know.
Nice.
Yeah. I really say, man, I know. Yeah, so this is how we basically do day to day, you know. Mostly by reservation.
So it's best to call ahead like a day ahead or even two?
If you have a special input that you want to have, it's best to call. Not all the time we have everything the customer requests, you know.
So
like I said, it's mostly cooked to order, so you know you're pulling up at 3 o'clock, you just place order, you know, earlier before that.
Makes sense.
Because they come everything hot and ready.
And the busiest days on the weekend?
Busiest days are Saturday, Sunday. Don't underestimate Monday. Yeah man, you get good customers on Monday, good turnout on Monday, so, you know? Alright, so this is good now. So I'm making set until ready for it.
So now everybody want to ask a question, you know, who teach the eye for cook?
I learn from the best, you know, father, mentor, you know. You don't really teach in that aspect, but look, learn and listen. You see me? Yeah.
I like that style, look, learn and listen.
Yeah.
The triple L's.
Yeah. I understand. All-purpose meat seasoning, salt and black pepper. You understand? Best blue parrot. Escovy style. Feel me? So me get any seasoning now, you understand me? I say. Baby. Well clean and rolling down nice. You see me? I don't want to put too much spice and seasoning on him. Okay, you know we don't have the escovy sauce. Finish him off this so you know get there now as soon as the oil hot and ready. Gone.
Oh.
Yeah, make up some escovy, you know? Real way. See like a run funny man?
Yeah, man.
YouTube. Yeah, man. So that we have put on the fish with some vinegar sauce, you know? Escovy, some vinegar. Finish off the fish as soon as you done with it. We are dropping in the fish now, you understand? Alright, hot and ready. See how I'm going now. Alright, so here so you know we're press planting and we have the escovy sauce I go down. Yeah, that's to go on the fry fish. Yeah. Escovy sauce planting. Festivals are going in next. So you say we're halfway there. Yeah, I'm on about 15-20 minutes out of 30 gone already. So
This is gonna be your defining moment, you know, brother.
yeah.
If a festival them shell.
Them are go share. Look how they look already and then
The food is here. We're gonna see. To see if it is the real deal. So presentation wise it is good. Love the presentation, love the way how, you know, some people call it tostones, Jamaica will call it press plant and simple. Festivals in the middle, so yeah. Love what I go on already. The aromas are good. Can smell the scotch bonnet pepper, the vinegar. So for those who don't know what a escovitch is, it is basically a mixture of onions, carrots, scotch bonnet peppers. Some persons add a little bit of pimentos to it, and it's vinegar, sometimes sweet pepper, and it's like a pickle per se, and it just complements the savoriness of the fish. Some persons straight on top of the fish, and it makes it a little bit more juicy, and at the same time complements with the crispiness of the outer skin. So the right amount of seasoning on this. Pickle have a nice amount of pepper to it. Fish fry the way or me like it. Some persons like it extra dry. But like when the outside dry but the inside, you know, you get that nice little feel to it. Juicy. Mm-hmm. All right. So this is almost a turned press pan, so we'll go try that. Proper. Now, these dishes as a Jamaican, I've had them several times over, and most of the flavor profiles and the components are pretty much the same. But what I always look for is just consistency and meeting the expectations of what you're supposed to get, and this one definitely catches that. Now we're gonna try these festivals. They're definitely unique. They're like a little langilala, you know, them skinny. It's a different approach to festival, but it works. It's almost more of a pretzel consistency. More of a crispy outside. This one's very interesting. I've never seen it like this before. What I have to say, loving this fried fish. Alright guys, cheers to the most random day ever. You guys saw this was not what I planned for today, but it worked out how it's supposed to work out. And of course, this is just me sharing my, how can I say, my food travel adventures with you guys. You know, I always wanted to travel around Jamaica in its entirety. I just think that, you know, as a small island, I think every Jamaican should at least say they've been to every single parish in the island. So yeah, that's the journey, and I'm just sharing that with you guys. So just to cue you in, I'm going to try to make use of the shower that's on here. You guys know I'm camping in my car, so why not make use of the shower? And then hopefully I'll catch another restaurant tonight, which I will show with you guys on the next video. So if you're interested in that, it's a little vegan spot, and I think they're doing pizza tonight, so hopefully I get to make that content and share it with you. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video, and please make sure that you stop and check out this spot if you're in this side of the island at any point in time. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember to keep the link. See you tomorrow.